In this video, we'll show you how to manually create a task in Guesty. In addition to Guesty's Auto Tasks feature, you can create tasks manually for one-off scenarios, such as a repair at a property or a mid-stay clean that's been requested. Let's see how it's done. First, click here and select New Task. Start by giving the task a name. Next, choose when you'd like the task to take place. This can be at a specific time or within a certain time frame to provide your team with a level of flexibility. If choosing a specific time, enter the date and time, and if relevant, add the task's duration. This is a great way to help your team understand the workload involved. For the flexible time frame option, define exactly when the task can be started and when it must be completed, and the duration if relevant. Keep in mind these times are saved and displayed according to your time zone. Next, add a description to the task. This will help your team understand what exactly needs to be done. You can also add items to a checklist, which provides the team with a list of to-do items that should be crossed off as they go along. Once you've finished typing an item, press Enter on your keyboard to start adding another, or click Add Item. You can also rearrange the order of these items if necessary. To help your team visually understand the task at hand, upload pictures or documents. For example, you may want to show how towels should be folded, or the condition of items that need repairing. Once done, you can rename or remove a file here. Now choose the task's priority. The default priority is medium, but you change it here if relevant. Now that that's done, you'll want to choose who the task is assigned to. You can assign it to a specific person or to a group of users that you've set up in Guesty. This would allow a member of the group to take on the task themselves. In addition, you can assign a supervisor to oversee the task. This section can be left blank if you'd like to manually assign the task later. Lastly, choose whether the task applies to a certain listing or reservation. Select the relevant item from the drop-down. Then click Save. And that's it! The task is now ready for your team to handle. If you have any questions or feedback, click the question mark widget in the Guesty dashboard to contact us or to view more in our Help Center. Thanks for watching!